Hello, my name is Tania Jimenez from the Language Forms and Function course. I will talking about the abbreviations. The abbreviation have a long history. Create so that spelling out a whole word could be avoided. This might be done to save time and space, and also to provide secrets. Shortened words were used and initial letters were commonly used to represent words in specific application. Okay. Below is a brief description of the subject. Abbreviation or shortening. Abbreviation refers to when a word or a group of words are written in a short form, either to save space if they are reading of a text. To the abbreviation can use a letter, a syllable of a part of the word that abbreviates. Example: Mr. AM antemeridem, cm centimeter, September is a general term used to refer to their correlated phenomena which are codes, acronyms, and initials. Clipping. It is obtained by shortening a sample or complex letter to one, two, or rarely to three syllables. For example, photo, photograph, and pub, public house. Acronyms and initials. They are obtained by shortening a sequence of multiple words, phrases, compound, little, or list to the initial letters. Acronyms and initials are considered as part of the abbreviation. However, they are different since the acronyms are formed with the first letters of several words. For example, CTO, Chief Technology Officer; CCO, Chief Communication Officer. Put-up words are generally used in less formal contexts than the full-length counterparts. For example, exam, the examination; gym, the gymnasium; omnibus, bra, the brazier; lab, the laboratory; hamburger, veterinary. These words indicate an attitude of familiarity of the parts of the user when view them. We must keep in mind these two rules to write the abbreviation R. When writing the abbreviation, you should always write a period at the end of the word abbreviation. 2. In the case of general abbreviations, an explanation of their meaning is not necessary. In a special abbreviation, you must always specify the word of words that substitute. Sample of a special abbreviation. Ant, antonym, temp, temperature, DX, diagnostic. According to Bauer, there are no clear rules of word formation by which we could predict where a word will be counted in addition, especially in the initials. The entry is treated with some freedom because the output must conform to the phonological canons of English. Acronyms is a term of coverage that includes the other two categories. Classification has alphabetic or letter name. For example, acronym ASAP. As soon is possible. BBF. Best friends forever. BRB. Be right back. BTW. By the way. NP. No problem. OMG. Oh my god. Classification and structure of clipping. The clipping are classified according to the parts of the base that is eliminated, and distinctions are made within posterior, anterior, A-trim, and medium trim. Subsequent clipping eliminates the final parts of the word, thus preserving the initial parts. Another suitable label for this type is truncation. Subsequent clipping represents the Hitchcock percentage in English and in other languages. Since the principle is considered the most salient part of a word, the partner is illustrated by many names, whether monosyllabic or syllabic. For example, B. Sexual. Bro. There. Cap. Chain. Demonstration. Disco. Tech. Picture. Some codes are shortened slang instead of standard words. For example, Bob, Bobby, a stupid fellow, fag, fagot, a male homosexual, makes Mexican foreign currency. Examples of these kings are brilliant, bold, politician, proud, Protestant, phenomenon. For clipping the legs, the initial part of the word, thus preserving the final portion, with its rather salient word parts. Some historical clipping belong to this type. For example, a bed, a coat, adventure, a plea, difference, history, and history. 8. Kipling. Deleted the initial and final part of the word, thus preserving the medial portion. Admittedly, this type is rare and its transparency is highly endangered. For example, are flu, frigid, jams, pyjams, poly, apollinaris. Random Kiplings retain some scarced letters, specific consonants, from the base word. For example, GPN, Japan, Ltd, Limited, MGR, Manager, among others. Uh, there are other types. There are other types of words clipping the list. The list is extensive as we are investigating the abbreviation topic. Many subtopics of it are known. Thank you for your attention.